So today we are playing Obby, but you are a bird. So today we have Oscar with us as well. Yeah, but if you do enjoy this video, hit the subscribe button and the like button. Sorry I haven't posted for quite a while. Hang on. Okay. Wait, where am I supposed to go? Hang on. Sorry guys, he's very glitchy, so you might not be able to hear him. What the? Oh wait. Oscar. Oh, wait. Wait, guys. Hang on, guys. I'll put the mic close.
Then what do I do now? Wait, why am I broke?
Okay, guys. Yay! Made it to the first. Yeah.
I'm coming. Olivia, I'm coming with me little legs. Guys, come with me little legs.
Are you floating down right now? Oh. Guys, can you hear the sound when we jump? Ready? Wait, ready?
Okay, Liv, I'm at the little thing. I'm gonna jump now.
Oh, he's pink! Oh. Oh, that. Yeah, same. Guys, there he is. Okay, let's go through here. Oh, I think we're here. No, you didn't. Look at him gracefully falling down. There he is. I think. Oh no, that's not him. Hang on. BRB. I'm not. Hang on. So, guys, I need to tell you this. Hang on, guys. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So, I do have like extra levels because I played this before. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. Oh, look, he's coral. Shrink. Oh, okay. I'm back. Oh. Sorry about that, guys. Did you hear that little rumble? Okay, not yet. What's he saying? Wait. Oh, up there. Oh! You're coral, you're coral. There you go, guys. Okay. Wait, come back. The checkpoint! I'm still in. Hang on. Oh, I'm here, I'm here. Did you just fall down? Oh my god, I might have just... Oh no. Okay, stay where you are. I am... Olivia is coming. Guys, I just... Oh, okay. I'm nearly there. I think so, nearly. I don't actually know. What the hell? I'm like at the... What the hell? Around here. Oh yay! Get that checkpoint. That bird's nest. So then whenever you die, you'll teleport back there. I'm back. I'm at checkpoint. Bro got so scared. He's like, why? How? I swear, if you die and respawn. Guys, was I supposed to come here? Guys, my battery is 5%, so I'm like really sorry, but I might need to pause it now here. My iPad's... Oh, I hit my left. And it was... Oh. Wait, guys. Actually, I might go now.
She would have said, guys, tablet ran out of battery.
Yeah, but I might stop it here because I'm a bit tired and got a headache. So, where are you? Oh. Okay, let's do this outro while I'm dying. If you did enjoy this video, hit that subscribe button and the like button. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Bye.
Hopefully you had a good day as well. Bye bye.